Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to reset your YouTube password on a PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like, leave a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more how-tos, step-by-step tutorials, and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in regards to this, there's actually two ways to reset your password, and that all depends on whether you have an account with two-step verification on, or whether you just have a basic account without that enabled. I'll be showing you how to do both ways today. So what we're going to do is open up our browser, and then we're going to come across to youtube.com. And the first method I'm going to show you is how to do it without the two-step verification. So what you need to do from here is come to your profile icon in the top right hand corner, give that a click, and then you want to click onto manage your Google account. From here, if you look at the menu on the left hand side, you need to click onto the personal info button, and you'll see from here you've got a information come up like your profile tab, and what you need to do is just click passwords down here. And it's going to ask you to enter your current password just to verify it's you changing the password. And then what you need to do is just go ahead and enter your new password, confirm it down here, and then hit the change password button. So I'll just go ahead and change that now. And you can see that's come up now, confirming the password was changed, and that's done it that way. If you have an account with two-step verification, it is a slightly different process. What I'm going to do is just close this down and come back to YouTube. And then I'm going to switch to my Digital Tutor account. So this is one that has two-step verification. And it's going to be similar to start off with. So what we're going to do is click the profile icon, and then come down and click on to manage your Google account. But you'll see when we now click onto personal info, the page appears slightly differently, and you can't see the option there to change your password. So to get around this, what you need to do is from this page, click your profile icon, and you want to click onto this manage account box underneath your channel name. And then you'll see where it says brand account details at the top, you want to click the back arrow next to that, and just give that a click a couple of times until you come to this page which says data and personalization. And now if you go ahead and click personal info on the menu on the left hand side, you will see it now gives you the option to change your password, and you can go ahead, go into that and change your password as normal. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below, where if you give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.